Hey, I'm ALBO, and I love JDM cars and culture. In each episode in this multi-channel crossover series, I'll go on car adventures around Japan with Captain Bradford from JDM Masters, along with our car club and fellow YouTubers Japonik, Samit, Dustin Williams, and others. Join us as we do car stuff, explore Japanese culture, and show you what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. This is our JDM life, and we are the Super JDM Bros.
この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Get out of here! Get out of here! Alright, so we are here at Daikoku. And we're talking about shaken and
No, this will pass shaken.
it depends where.
Yeah, this will pass in Gifu.
Yeah,
It will not pass in Kanagawa.
in some places. But these canners are sick though. So Shogunai, live dangerously.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, is that Ken? No, it's not. That's not. Hey guys, okay, so we are here at Daikokufuto once again. So yeah, I'm here with Indra, with Tomo, and Tomo's friend. And Tomo came here with the unplugged Tesla Model 3, which is the one that just set like a new record at Scuba, right?
I think it was like 1 minute 2. Yeah, he went faster than my car. It's not me actually. It was my senpai driving.
That's
it.
crazy.
We're from Masa here.
There's this homeless guy from Osaka.
All right. Wanna see my
Dad's car?
dad's car?
I like how you fully accepted it. Yeah, it's great. It's a good
I
meme.
already accepted from the beginning, get-go, bro. I'm already accepted from the get-go. Man, hands off to you for not being female, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't go out. This is my car, you know. I never said it's my car. It's our car.
Yeah, that's right. He was
Our
careful
car.
with his wording.
I phrase it as our car, you know?
Yep. So, where's the Type R? I was hoping you'd bring the Type R, but...
It's in Osaka. I left in Osaka.
What the fuck? Oh, I see. You just took the train here.
You know why? Because it's fucking expensive to bring a car
Yeah,
here.
that makes sense. So tell us about your Nissan Sentra.
Well, it's a Nissan Sentra.
Or is it Maxima? Sorry, I can't.
Nissan Maxima GTR.
Uh-huh.
It's been fully modified with a supercharged, turbocharged, 2.8 liter stroker, HKS turbo shit.
Yeah. They're everywhere. It's
so
like
what
another Bayside Blue GT.
Yeah, exactly. What did you do? HKS turbo.
How original.
Yeah, TE37 wheels.
All right, here we go. So this is quite a special car, actually. So this is the unplugged Tesla. This is the one that set a new record at Scuba Tac, and it was like 120 or something.
It's at 1 minute 2.
Isn't that insane?
It's insane. Like my GDR, my first time's at 1 minute 3, and this overtook that car.
And it's a freaking Model 3.
It's a battery-powered car.
Yeah.
You know how embarrassing that is?
Can you turn it on? I've never actually sat inside a Model 3 or anything. Whoa! It is like a love hotel.
Exactly. Now you're going to make love. And it has 2 buckets inside it.
That's sick. That is dope. Can I sit inside it? Okay, I'm gonna sit inside it.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
What the hell's inside? You have a whole science project inside. Whoa. Okay. How does it turn on?
It is on.
What? It's so weird. Okay, later let's take it for a spin. What I mean is, let me floor it on the Wangan.
No, probably not. I need to drive it.
Man, it's weird. It doesn't seem like it's like a record-beating car. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's mostly stock. I think it has the unplugged performance coilovers
That's crazy.
and a bit of brake pads, I think.
Yep. And what is this? There's like this.
Oh, that's for cooling, extra cooling. It's a water tank for the radiator for the batteries, because in races the batteries get quite high in temperature.
Yeah.
So you need to cool it.
This is crazy. So I mean, most of the stuff, the mods are for cooling, I think, right?
Yeah, it's
So
mainly
you
for
run?
cooling.
I bet when you drive it, it's like from the future. Okay.
Yeah, it feels very weird.
Yeah, because there's no, it's an instantaneous acceleration, right?
Yeah, and you know, it has that charging system, the braking charging system.
Oh, so when you let go of the brakes, it
Yeah,
slows
it,
down.
it kind
right?
of feels like engine braking. Wow. But like only kinda. It's a completely different car.
So in this episode, Indra is going to be today's host.
Hi guys, thanks for having me. Today we're in Daikoku. It's a Monday night, so it's not really that packed today. But Monday night means
sick.
yeah.
Evil wagon.
Don't our friends want to have those? What's his name?
Yeah, Dave.
Yeah,
no, not
Dave,
Dave. Yushi, who has every car.
Yeah. Usually has one of those. That's pretty sick. Apparently, it's faster than the normal Evo on a straight line.
Yeah,
because
that's
of the
right.
body.
Because of the body shape,
Yes.
which gives it more aerodynamic.
Yeah, that's really mad.
Yeah, it's quite busy for a Monday night.
Yeah.
Hang on, wait.
The best thing about Monday night is that the cops kind of leave us alone.
Ah.
Yeah.
So the time to come is a Monday night.
Yeah.
So, actually, a lot of people make the mistake of thinking that the best time to come is always Saturday night, but it gets shut down really early these days.
It gets shut down like 8:30.
Yes, so
And
it's dangerous.
You literally have to go home after that.
Yep,
And you're kind of paying like traffic toll for nothing.
right. It's a waste. So it's better to. It's actually quite good to come on a weekday these days. Well, once the country opens up, it's about to go into lockdown again.
I'm not sure about that. Is it gonna go on
Dude,
lockdown?
I think not exactly lockdown, but like a state of emergency.
Right.
So yeah, no restaurants after 8.
Then where will we go after we go for drives?
Oh shit. So we're gonna go on the Tokyo Autobahn with
aka Tokyo Autobahn.
Masa's dad's car.
Yeah, Tokyo Autobahn, aka Mexico.
Oh right.
We're going to Mexico.
Wait. No, we're not. We're going to Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes, right.
We're going to Mexico.
Yes. You coming?
Yeah, man, let's go.
All right. Anybody else? It's just us.
Oh, sure. What's the cat?
All right. So we're gonna mount the car. Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Cap.
Cap.
We're going for a loop.
This Captain.
Stand by your car. Stand by your car. I'm gonna take.
Okay. This is
Yeah,
mostly
bro.
what we do. We just pose
Hi.
for our cars or pose with our cars.
Camera.
Alright, so we're back from our little drive. Unfortunately, as you guys saw, I didn't set it to infinity focus, but we're gonna go for a drive on the C1 and I'll do it correctly. But before we do, I want to show you this really, really cool car. This is like, it's actually a GTT, right?
Yeah.
But it looks just like the car from Too Fast, Too Furious.
That is sick. Look at that.
And I believe possibly a girl owns this car. This is what I've heard.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Oh,